Welcome all students. This is the practical number 6, that is performing the logistic regression on the given data warehouse data using R or Python. इसका फर्स्ट पार्ट मैंने बताया था जहां पे मैंने R के हिसाब से प्रोग्रामिंग किया हुआ है। अब ये सेकंड पार्ट है जिसमें मैं ये सेम प्रोग्राम को करने वाला हूं पाइथन के अंदर। क्वेश्चन को मैंने रिफॉर्म किया था, एक बार क्विकली एक्सप्लेन कर देता हूं। We require to write a Python program that builds the logistic regression model using the built-in empty cars datasets to predict the engine type of a car. दो टाइप के इंजन टाइप है, वी इंजन है एंड स्ट्रेट इंजन है। वी इंजन हेवी व्हीकल्स में आता है, स्ट्रेट इंजन फ्यूल एफिशिएंट व्हीकल्स में आ जाता है। अपना रिक्वायरमेंट है प्रोग्राम का कि हम लोग यूजर के पास से वेट एंड डिस्प्लेसमेंट को एक्सेप्ट करेंगे एंड फिर प्रेडिक्ट करेंगे कि क्या वो वी इंजन है, क्या वो स्ट्रेट इंजन है। कुछ बेसिक टर्मिनोलॉजीज है जो आपको मालूम होना चाहिए। दैट इज व्हाट इज द डेटा सेट, independent variable versus dependent variable, what is exactly meant by probability, what do you mean by the logistic regression, what do you mean by the threshold concept, and what do you mean by a model. As well as the logistic regression workflow is very simple. We create a model with the help of the past data, we give the input to the model, we get the probability, we apply the threshold, and we are getting the prediction that is either 0 or 1. If you want to understand in details about all this thing, तो आर का जो वीडियो है उसमें मैंने स्टार्टिंग में पूरा डिटेल को एक्सप्लेन किया है, उसको जाके एक बार देख लो और फिर प्रोग्राम के लिए वीडियो के अंदर वापस आ जाओ। तो लेट अस स्टार्ट राइटिंग दिस प्रोग्राम फॉर दिस पर्टिकुलर क्वेश्चन। सो आई विल बी यूजिंग माय पाइथन आइडियली एंड हियर आई विल बी स्टार्टेड राइटिंग माय प्रोग्राम। द प्रोग्राम विल बी क्वाइट interesting program. My programs are always small, they are not big as such. So I try to go for creating the new Python file, and here the first thing I require to do it is nothing but importing the required libraries. So what are the different libraries which are required for this is simple. We require to import first of all pandas, as I'm using the lies as what PD. I require to go for importing the training and testing split, and for that reason I will be saying that from sklearn dot model selection import train underscore test underscore split. Further, I would like to import our logistic regression. For that reason, I am just specifying from sklearn dot linear model import logistic regression. Python is case sensitive one, so please remember that you have to use the appropriate case. Okay, moving ahead, I require to import one more library as such where I would be measuring how good our model works. Okay, अभी ये optional है, अगर चाहिए तो करो तो मत करो, but I will be importing by saying from sklearn dot matrix import accuracy score confusion matrix and classification report. This is optional. If you don't want to display the classification report, accuracy score, confusion matrix, then you can remove this particular statement. So this is the optional statement as such. And moving ahead, after that, what I need to do it, I require to load the data set. Now over here, what I had done, I had downloaded one CSV file called as empty cars, right? This is the CSV file. You can see the contents of the CSV file, which consists of model, cylinders, display, HP, VS, dependent variable and independent variable both. So I had just downloaded in C drive. So I would be importing the data for my model from this CSV file. Now, if you had downloaded it in some other folder, etc., then you have to give the appropriate path. So I require to create a data frame with the help of importing the data from the CSV. So first importing has been done. The next I just provide data frame equal to pandas library. So PD, this is used for creating data frame. I just provide read CSV in the bracket. My path is what? C drive के अंदर root के अंदर रखा है मैंने empty cars dot CSV. If you don't have that particular file, then this statement will be throwing the error to you. Now, if you want to display some kind of records of data set, then you can just specify print data frame dot head. This will be displaying few records of your data frame. So now sir इतना तो रन करके दिखाओ, तो I just go to the file, I selected the option over here as save. I saved the file called as test.py. Okay, it's Python editor only, so I just provide test, and then do it. I required to go for I just required to go for what, predicting the VS, that is nothing but engine type, right? So I require to create and specify the output variable and the input variable. So I first try to specify the output variable. So I use the output variable as y equal to data frame जो अपना df था. Here I just mentioned my output variable as what is vs, dependent variable as what is vs, and my independent variable are nothing but a weight and displacement. As it is the weight and displacement, I create a data frame from the weight and displacement by specifying x equal to data frame के अंदर the wt is one column, weight and displacement is another column. So I had taken both the columns over here. Okay, just wait a minute whether the outcome comes or not. Yes. So it shows me some 5 rows. So the CSV file, it is possible for it to read. So we don't require to worry about it. Fine. The things can work fine. Moving ahead, after we take the x and y is what, nothing but what we want to product, and what we will be using is the weight and displacement that had used it as what here, x. Moving ahead, I require to train the model, right? I require to train the model. For that reason, I will be splitting the data into the training and testing split. So let us try to go for splitting it in Python itself. It's quite easy. So here it comes, my function which will be coming over here as xtrain, comma, xtest, comma, ytrain, comma, ytest. Okay, and equal to what? Equal to, I would like to specify the function called as train test split. And in the bracket, I will be providing my x coordinate, that is nothing but called as your weight and displacement. My y is nothing but my dependent variable, and that is nothing but a vs. And I will be specifying my training and testing split size. So by specifying test size equal to 0.3, 30% approximately. Okay, and I will be providing random state. I use the random state as 42. So what do you mean by random state? The random state, it means nothing but which fixes the randomness. So the results are what, being reproducible. So this is what the use of this random state. Once this x and y and training and testing has been done, then I require to create and train my logistic regression model. For creating my logistic regression model, first what I do, I create an object like model. Model equal to logistic regression, and the solver is equal to, single quote, double quotes, depends on you, liblizer. Okay. Once the model has been set, the next thing I would like to fit the model by using what? Model.fit. बहुत easy है Python का program, and here I require to provide xtrain and ytrain. Okay. Once this has been done, then I require to go for what? Predicting with, right? So now this is depends on you. Would you like to display the confusion matrix, etc., etc.? You can use this all. If you don't want to do it, then let it be. Don't go for what we can say displaying the confusion matrix, etc., etc. That this entirely depends on you what you do it. But what is the ultimate thing which we need? That we need to go for what? Accepting the weight and displacement from the user and displaying the prediction of us, right? For that reason, what I do, I accept the weight and displacement from the user. For that reason, I just provide print. In the print, I just mention over here, I would like to let it be. I will be first accepting it. So I take one variable called as user weight equal to, user weight is in a float type. So I'm using float and using the function as input and saying enter car weight. Okay. So this is the message which is getting displayed. The input will be taken, converted into float, stored inside a user weight, Then I provide user displacement equal to float, input, enter engine displacement, right? So I taken two input from the user. I would like to give that input towards what we can say my model and would like to take the probability from the model. Sir, ये क्या flow था? In the R video, I had explained the first half as the entire understanding what do you mean by probability, what do you mean by the threshold, everything is explained. You can go back to that video and please watch that one to understand the concept more. Moving ahead, so values are been accepted from the user. So I will be creating my new data frame by using new car equal to, this is what the name of my data frame. I just say PD dot, PD is what pandas, okay. So PD dot data frame in the bracket. I would like to create one data frame by using my key as weight and name of the variable is what? User weight, right? Comma, the second key comes as displacement and the name of the variable is what? User displacement, sorry. User displacement. One, this has been done. Then, fine. So now my input given by the user is also been set. Now I require to go for what? Predict the model. So model तो अपना बना हुआ है model नाम का, तो I just mention over here that is I would like to predict the probability. So that's the reason I will be specifying over here as maybe probabilities. PROB कर देता हूँ, बस हो गया, equal to model dot predict probability and the data frame called as new car. So this will be what returning me nothing but the probabilities and this is nothing but an array. So first जो value रहेगा वो मुझे निकाल के लेना है. So I just say probability value equal to, I will be using prob, this is the array as such and here 0 and maybe दो वैल्यूज आएगा ना अपना, 0 नहीं तो 1 आएगा. सो VS1 का वैल्यू क्या है वो हम लोग देखेंगे. सो आई जस्ट प्रोवाइडेड व्हाट यू कैन से 0 and 1 over here and probability value 1 and I again provide a probability value 2 equal to, I had just mentioned over here probabilities, that is probability, and mentioning over here 0 and once again as what here 0. What is the probability? That is what getting displayed by us. Now fine, दोनों वैल्यू तो मिल गया मुझे प्रोबेबिलिटी के अंदर, बट आई कैन यूज एनी वन वैल्यू. अभी आपके ऊपर है कौन सा वैल्यू आपको लेना है. नाउ आई प्रिफर दैट कि 0 का वैल्यू हम लोग ले लेंगे, राइट, और 1 का वैल्यू डिपेंड्स ऑन यू, पर आपको चाहिए इसके थ्रेशोल्ड. सो आई जस्ट गो फॉर इम्प्लीमेंटिंग व्हाट माय थ्रेशोल्ड ओवर हियर. So I taken one variable for threshold by saying threshold equal to, I set the threshold as 0.5 and then I just use the if condition simple by saying if maybe probability value 1. Now depends on you, 1 करना है कि आपको 0 करना है. If it is greater than equal to threshold, okay, if this is the case, then I will be providing my prediction class, right? तो अभी देखते prediction class के, चलो एक ही लेते हैं हम लोग. I will not be taking both, I'm just taking one because condition में एक तो use कर रहा हूँ and the first value I will be preferably going for what we can say 0 and 1 and here I just use my print statement as maybe देखते सही प्रोबेबिलिटी का वैल्यू क्या आ रहा है उसके ऊपर हम लोग डिपेंड करते हैं. तो एक काम करते हैं, यहां तक का पार्ट करके हम लोग पहले प्रिंट करते हैं प्रोबेबिलिटी वैल्यू को एंड देन वी विल जस्ट अपडेट इट इनसाइड इफ कंडीशन. सो आई जस्ट यूज द प्रिंट स्टेटमेंट and the print I would like to go for probability value 1. Let's try to see what is the outcome which is coming. So that's the reason I just save this program and planning to go for executing the program once again. So this should be asking me give me the car weight. So I am giving the car weight as 3.5 and the displacement is been approximately 300. So it gives me the probability as what is 0. मैंने बताया था threshold का concept, right? थोड़ा सा प्रोग्राम को एक बार वापस रन करते हैं एंड अगेन वी विल ट्राई टू चेक what is the probability for some other value, right? So that's the reason I'm putting the car weight as 2.0. Sorry, my car weight is what? 2.0 and my displacement is 110. Please check the value is what? 0.67. So आ रहा है, probability अलग अलग आ रहा है. So now let us try to go for what? Working with the same. So अब ये print करना नहीं करना आपके ऊपर है. So I just mention over here that is if probability value 1, if it is greater than equal to threshold, value दिया था, okay, threshold. Okay, this is the case, then you can just print it. क्या print करेंगे हम लोग यहाँ पे? The output 1 is nothing but the straight engine. So sorry, my battery is a little bit down. I just would like to go for doing the charging. Bear me for 1 minute. Let it be. I will do it afterwards. First, I'll complete the recording. So here I'm going to try to print over here as 1 ka hai. So I will be specifying the output as what is straight engine, and I'm using the else part, and the else part I will be printing as what we can say V engine. So what is V engine? What is straight engine? Everything I explained in whatever ARCA video. So just go and watch this particular video proper. So I just run the program once again. So here it asks me the input from it. So input is coming at 3.5, displacements at 300. You will consider, you will be getting what your V engine. And if I run the program once again, and it asks me about the car weight, I mentioned at 2.0 and 110, you will find it is what? A straight engine. So that's all. Please go through the R video also properly so that you are able to go forward understanding what are the various concepts you must be knowing before writing the program. So thanks for watching with us. Please connect with our social media channel and please like this video and subscribe our channel also. Please share this video to all your BSc IT students. Thanks.